everyone. In this video, I'm gonna share with you and teach you how you can transfer the sales funnel that we've had transferring into your Builderall dashboard account. Without further ado, we're gonna go over to our dashboard and we're gonna share with you how you can easily transfer the entire funnels that we have here since you first got into our program, buying the $1 trial. And if you happen that pretty much sure you guys already have gone into this part where you actually access the payment fulfillment process inside the bidder all in our first funnel that we have here, that you'd be able to purchase the $1. This is actually a void because we're giving you the $1 account free trial for this sales funnel that we are giving away on this program. So without further ado, we're gonna go over and how you can literally transfer this entire sales funnel that you've seen the first time you are get into our program. Okay, so literally this is the same strategy, same marketing strategy that you're going to share and market into your own account on Builderall dashboard. Okay, so what we're gonna do right now is just to click the live website where you can see the procedure, how you're going to transfer the sales funnel on your Builderall account. Okay, take note, this is very important. When you try to transfer the website with you, you need to log into your Builderall account, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so that is what basically you need to do first. Log into your Builderall account, and then once you log in, I'm gonna share with you right now. Just click this button right here. It's very easy, and this thing will pop up. Okay, and literally this is the funnels that we had that would be if you're like into your account will be transferred to your Builderall dashboard, so you don't need to do anything. Literally, once you click this button confirm, it will goes to your account. Okay, so let's go and check it out. All right, boom. So basically, this is going to be what happened. Okay, once you click that button, as you can see here, the entire sales panel. Actually, I did had all, I did um, upload or transfer this panel several times. So as you can see here, I've got 2 copies of it. Okay, so once you click this, make it a live or on a live site version, this is how it's gonna look like. Okay, let's go on the live mode. Bam. Okay, so this is the same thing that you've had when you first got into our program, and this is what you are going to also offering to anyone who will visit your website. And this is how you're going to kind of like create and literally earning income inside this program. The system that we have really works because this is why you are here right now, and having all this series of steps on how you're going to transfer all this sales platform on your account. So, okay, in our next video, we're gonna show you another step where you can be able to have our email sequence, the emails autoresponder that we set up, which is also the one that we will share and give it away for you, so you can retarget the same format that we have, retarget your audience that you're gonna be in your downline, or someone who will going to purchase the product that we are selling, and you will be passed into your next downline. Okay, so see you in my next video. Bye.